Hi everyone, here we are at Michael's. Let's take a look at what they have, guys. Okay, look at these bells. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, so then this is a candle Christmas tree. I don't see the tag for it. That's so pretty. And then this, what is this? This is a metal plate that says "Let It Snow." $14.99, but everything is 50% off. So then they have, oh look how pretty, that's iridescent. It's the plate, and this is $7.99. And then this one says Sparkle and Shine. Let's see, that's $9.99. And then here's the tag, 50% off. And there's that metal plate. Oh, come let us adore him. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. And then here's the countdown with Santa Claus. I like these. $19.99, and I can't reach those up there, but look how pretty, North Pole posts. And that's for letters. Isn't that nice? To Santa. Okay, and then here's some more. And then this is a sign over here that says Candy Cane Lane, but I can't turn that over. Here's another sign that says, Santa, we have cookies, stop here. Believe in the season, and there's a Santa. These are all metal. I think do they bobble? Yeah, they do. Aren't they cute? So this is a gnome, that's Santa. Let me see how much these are. $19.99. And then here are the mugs and the plates. Okay, let's see. So the mugs are $6.99, 50% off. So Santa, here's the snowman, and these are the plates. I guess for Santa's cookies. Isn't that pretty? So those are $7.99. So they have them in that kind, and then they have them in this kind. Towards the bite before Christmas. That's cute. And then this is a mason jar chalkboard. See, they have them right here at a lower level. Let me see how much that is. And they're metal. The stand is metal, $19.99. Comes with the easel in the back. Then here's another sign. There's some more sign. Santa Claus Workshop, Mrs. Claus Kitchen, Elf Village, and Reindeer Stables. This is really pretty. It's a station wagon with a Christmas tree on top. Very nice. $19.99. 50% off. And then they have these. These look how nice. Isn't that beautiful? And this here is $14.99. And these are the little pillows and some more signs. I'll scan that for you. Then over here, don't get your tinsel in a tangle. Oh, Dollar Tree has a mug that says that. That's cute. Then they have this, Merry Christmas. And the pillows there. It's a reindeer. Isn't he cute? Then they have some more wall decor and some little blocks. Happy Holidays. This one here is really pretty. Let's see how much that is. $21.99. And that one says Pine Woods Tree Farm. And that one, Joy. Okay, there's a sleigh on the bottom and another sign. And this says days until Christmas. And then you can write the number of days there. That's really nice. And this is the mailbox for the Santa letters. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. Then there's the Christmas tree. Some more of those pillows with the little bells on the end. Isn't that nice towards the night before Christmas? Let me see how much those are. $34.99. This is really nice. This lantern. Okay. This is really nice too. I like that. $14.99. And here's some more. This one's bigger. Okay, there's a sleigh. There's a sleigh on the bottom. Okay, there's some reindeer delivery,
Huh?
transit authority,
Oh,
the
you
bells. Okay, so these are really pretty. These tins, where they're covered in that birch wood. Isn't that gorgeous? Noel, joy, peace, and they have some more of these. And look at this. This is really nice. $7.99. And these, I think, are tin cans. You could store stuff in here and give it as gifts. Cookies, baked goods, joy. Look, it says joy. There's the mailbox with Santa's letters. The Christmas tree. Here's a sleigh. It's so pretty. So on this section over here, they have bows. Look how beautiful they are. I think Dollar Tree has these too. Let me see how much these are. But it's 50% off. Well, it says here, buy one, get one free. That's not bad. Okay, so $4.99. So $2.50. Then you have the bag of bows. And then you have some wine bags right here. I love that gnome one and the buffalo check one. Isn't that pretty? And then you have the smaller gift bags over here on this side. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to Michael's to check out some of their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.